Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So has everyone entered the meeting? Okay, I then lock and begin my class. I hope you have revised your previous parts in Python so that it would be easy for you all to understand today's class. We will begin with Numpy arrays, okay, and matrices and all, matrix application, Numpy application actually. So we have already done matrix addition using loops, for loops and all. We have also done matrix addition by list comprehension method. Today we will learn how to simplify those with the help of NumPy arrays. Okay. So if anybody has missed my previous class, please go back to that, how to create arrays, NumPy arrays, how to create one-dimensional NumPy arrays, and all the functions, how to add them, how to subtract them, how to reshape, find out the dimension and all. Okay, just go through all those things and it would be easy for you to understand. So we will begin with matrix addition with NumPy array. Okay. So the first thing is that whenever you open a shell, I have told you this, you have to import NumPy as NP whenever you are doing NumPy. Okay. Now in a second part, we'll just make a array. Say I'm making an array np.add array. Yes, you also type accordingly and see what the result comes. But first, you just follow. I'll give you 2 minutes to write and do and practice in your own shell, okay? So just listen to the first part and then you do. So 1, 2, 3. Then I'm taking as 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, okay? So this is my array, NumPy array. Fine. I take another, say b equal to np.array. Let's take it in the reverse order so 3, 2, 1. I have 6, 5, 4. And I have 9, 8, 7. Okay. So you don't have to use those long formulas what we have used in list comprehension, or in case when we are using for loops for matrix addition. In case of NumPy arrays, matrix addition is very simple. The way we are talking to each other, we say just simply add two things together. The same way we'll write it down. We'll write print A plus B, okay, and it'll give you the result. Yes, it is very simple. It's very simple. Okay. So similarly, matrix, like matrix addition, matrix product can also be obtained with the help of NumPy array. Okay. So since we have already imported NumPy as NP, we don't have to import one more time. Just write another, say, array. Type another array like np.array. You can do with the same array, but I'm showing you a different form so that you can practice accordingly with different formats. Okay. Then I'll take 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I just took 2 elements over here. Another, say, np.array. Let's take as 1, 2, then I'm taking 3, 4, and I take 5, 6. Okay. Now, just write, say, CD I have taken. So take, say, E. You just name it, anything you can name. Okay. np.c, t. It's as simple as that. So we are finding out matrix product with numpy arrays. Finally, you write print E. Okay. Is it clear? So I press enter, and this is my result of matrix product with numpy array. So you have seen matrix addition with numpy array, matrix product with numpy array, and we will also do matrix arrays from numpy. Okay. So for that, we'll take another new shell. But one more thing I just want to clear out here. Somebody has posted a question in the chat box. Yes, we can use the reshape function here in order to make matrix, just we have seen in our previous class. I will show you one. Wait. Okay. Write A equal to, say, np.array. If I do a one-dimensional array, okay, if I consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I can use the function reshape 2, 3. Okay, I'm reshaping it in form 2, 3. I can again take b equal to np.array. Take the numbers, say, as 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good question. I'm happy that you have asked this. Okay, so I'm just doing this in format 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now, if I want to check how my A has turned out to be, so I can just simply write A and I can check. I can write B over here and I can see that they have been in matrix format. Now, simply, if I want to do matrix addition, just type A plus B, and that will give you the result. Okay. Like in previous part over here, we have done, we have created 2 numpy arrays, and then we have written in this format, print A plus B. You can also write in this order, simple A plus B. Now, if I want to do the matrix product of it, I want to see. So np dot, I want to make product, okay, or add, anything you want to do. First, I show you the addition in a different order, okay. Another format, A comma B. I can also write in this order, addition. I'm getting it. Fine. And similarly, you can write np dot, like as you've written over there, np dot A cross B, and it'll give you the matrix product. So we have done matrix addition with numpy arrays and matrix multiplication with numpy arrays.